Enforcing component level preventative maintenance without the right tools, it's incredibly difficult to deliver that. Typical O&M company is going to be ill-equipped to do that efficiently, so it's going to be a problem, right? So you've got to have the right tools, and this is what we've focused our software roadmap on, is delivering these tools to do component level condition monitoring accurately, credibly, without a massive increase in time and cost. So this is now possible. What we're seeing with aging assets, where there is a systemic defect with these module population, then it is almost impossible to work out whether it relates to one single batch on that asset, or the entire asset, or that asset and others that are sharing the same batch. Without understanding that kind of batch demographic of modules on an asset, you don't know how big your risk is, you don't know how big your problem is when it arises, and it's very difficult to have a credible conversation with a module manufacturer unless you have that level of intelligence.